Pahanthudawa Waterfall is a beautiful and peaceful waterfall located in Belihuloya, Sri Lanka. The name Pahanthudawa means wick of a lamp in Sinhala, inspired by the shape of the waterfall as it flows gently through a narrow stream. Surrounded by lush forests and rocky landscapes, it is a popular destination for nature lovers, hikers, and adventure seekers. The area is rich in biodiversity and offers a refreshing escape from busy city life. The clear water and calm surroundings make it a perfect spot for relaxation and photography. Visiting Pahanthudawa is a truly calming and memorable experience in the heart of nature. Bambarakanda Waterfall, located in Kalupahana village in Sri Lanka, is the tallest waterfall in the country, standing at 263 meters, 863 feet. Surrounded by pine forests and misty mountains, it offers a breathtaking view and a peaceful atmosphere. The waterfall is part of the Horton Plains National Park ecosystem and is fed by the Uva Oya, a tributary of the Wellassa River. It's a popular spot for hiking, nature photography, and picnics. The cool climate and scenic beauty attract both local and international tourists. Visiting Bambarakanda is a perfect getaway for those seeking adventure and tranquility in the highlands. Staircase road twists through misty peaks, leading to Wellingwangawa's quiet sands. Rugged cliffs meet tranquil plains, where thrill seekers and nature lovers find raw beauty, adventure, and a deep spiritual stillness. Ella Waterfall is a stunning natural attraction located near Ella, in Sri Lanka's central highlands. Cascading from a height of about 25 meters, it flows beautifully over a rocky cliff surrounded by lush greenery. The waterfall is named after the legendary King Rawana from the Ramayana, who is believed to have hidden Princess Sita in a nearby cave. Easily accessible from the main road, Rawana Ella is a popular stop for tourists exploring the scenic Ella region. Its cool mist, dramatic backdrop, and mythological history make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and cultural enthusiasts alike. Lipton's Seat, a window to Sri Lanka's beauty. Lipton's Seat, located in Hapatale, Sri Lanka, is a breathtaking viewpoint, named after Sir Thomas Lipton, the famous tea planter. From this serene spot, one can witness sweeping views of lush tea plantations, rolling hills, and distant valleys. It is said that Lipton himself used to sit here and survey his vast tea empire. The journey to the top winds through picturesque tea estates, offering a peaceful escape into nature. The fresh mountain air and stunning sunrise make it a favorite among hikers and travelers. Lipton's Seat beautifully reflects Sri Lanka's natural charm and rich tea heritage. Let me know if you'd like it tailored for a specific purpose. St. Clair Waterfall, often called the Little Niagara of Sri Lanka, is one of the country's most beautiful and widest waterfalls. Located in the central highlands near Nuwara Elia, it flows through lush tea estates, creating a stunning view for travelers. The falls are formed by the Katmale Oya, a tributary of the Mahaweli River. Surrounded by misty hills and green landscapes, it is a popular spot for nature lovers and photographers. Despite threats from nearby hydro projects, St. Clair remains a symbol of Sri Lanka's natural beauty and an important destination in the country's hill country tourism. Thank you for staying with this video. Goodbye.